lot of people have been asking me to make a video on how I cut my mangoes. I post them on Instagram like 4 times a week because it's my favorite fruit. But no, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. First, you're gonna grab a cutting board, rinse your mango off, and get a knife. I use this as my guide because you're gonna wanna start off, like a mango isn't like a perfect sphere. So you're gonna wanna start off on like the wider side and you're gonna just cut like this. And then mangoes have a pit in the middle of them that you're gonna wanna avoid. It's in like a, what shape is that? I don't know what shape it is, but it's like an oval. I'll show you guys in a minute. And then you wanna cut off the other side. And then we'll get to this later. Then you grab your 2 mango cheeks and you're gonna wanna cut starting this way in vertical lines. It's easier if you use a butter knife because the skin is very thin on the mango. Then once you have these lines, you're gonna wanna start going horizontal, just like this. I like to cut mine in smaller cubes, just because I'm trying to teach myself how to eat slower. And then you're gonna have this, and before I post on Instagram, I just flip them inside out, like this. Then you have cute little mango cubes. Some people like to cut along the skin and just cut all of this off like that. I personally just bite into it like that because it does work. So good. Then for this part, you're gonna want to cut around. Like you can see this darker area right here is where the pit's at, so you're gonna want to use this as your guide again. And you're gonna cut along the pit. Yeah, like for this one, I just cut way too close. Yeah, see? And then it's actually crooked, but yeah, why is it? This one's weird. Not all mangoes are perfect, but it's like that. I cut it on both sides actually. This one's kind of an odd shape. But some people, oh, I did it wrong, whatever. Some people cut this up like that. Others just like cut the skin off. And by others, I mean myself. I literally would just cut the rest of the skin off. And bite around it like an apple. But no, then we just do the same thing to this side. Okay, well thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to post like different tips regarding food, nutrition, hair, fitness, lifestyle, all of that on this channel. So if you just go ahead and subscribe, that'd be cool. I think I'm gonna keep my posts on Sundays because it's a pretty good day, so I'll do Sundays. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, you can just comment or hit me up on Instagram. But yeah. Tag me if you guys do actually try this out because I want to see what it comes out like. Yes. Bye!